Welcome back, YouTubers. Thank you for joining me. And today I'm working on a 2020 Kia Rio. I'll show you guys how to do an oil change. First thing you want to do is locate two things. Your engine oil dipstick, which is this yellow one right here. If you look, it says engine oil on it. Okay. Then you go, this is the passenger side, this is the engine, this is the transmission. Okay, you stay on the passenger side, go under the car, straight under the car like this. This is your oil pan. Behind your oil pan is the drain plug right there. Drain plug takes a 17 millimeter 1.7. Go left to drain. It's loose. Go left. There's the oil. Let it drain. Let it do its thing. The oil is still draining. Let it do its thing. Then right in front of the oil pan, this is the front of the engine, the front of the car. This is the rear of the car. Right in front is the oil filter housing. This one. It's a 24 millimeter. I don't know if you guys can see. 24, 24. Go left. Go left. I have already loosened it. I got the old filter out. This is the new filter. So it looks like the oil filter housing, it has this plug in it from the factory, and it takes a cotter pin. This is the old one. The new filter, this is the new gasket for the new filter. The old gasket's right here. You guys can see I'm already working at it. You just grab a pick like this orange one, start picking at it. So the new filter has this plug. It has a little O-ring on it too. So it goes in here. And then once it goes in there, you lock it with the new cotter pin. Then it comes with the new crush washer and a new seal. The instructions are right here. So I'm going to assemble them. Take these off and assemble all these together. It's fairly easy. Just make sure this plug it sticks out of there. Then this just goes in there. So it's just a lock, a cotter pin. $25 foot-pounds. $25 foot-pounds for the filter housing. Okay, so the drain plug down there is tight. The oil filter housing is tight. Now what you want to do is come back up on top. This is the top of the engine. You want to fill your engine with oil. This is the oil fill cap right there. This engine takes 0 W20 oil, full synthetic. Takes 4 quarts. Fill it there. Then when you put 4 quarts in, you want to check your oil level. Just like a regular dipstick, you got 2 dots. This one actually says F. I don't know if you guys can see. And then L for low. So F is full, L is low. You want to be up to the F. But start your engine for a couple minutes, turn off the engine, give it about 5-10 minutes, then recheck your oil. Make sure the car is level, so off jack stands. Thanks, guys. I appreciate you guys. Have a great day. Number 1 rule, always be safe.